the spark plug, and this is how the coil look on 2014 Mercedes-Benz V8. Engine code is 278 turbo. So this is the coil from above 2012 or 2013 starting. This is 2014. So having a trouble code, but I'm trying to see where's the spark plug look and where it is. So whenever you are taking a spark plug and coil has to be loose from the bottom, do not pull from the upside. And I'm just trying to make a video where the spark plugs are located so you will get the idea. So even I cannot see it from here, but that should be over here somewhere, and that's how it's. So you need a shovel to move it like this angle. So basically coils are having two bolts for E6, and it's look like on the top it's look like this, but in actual if you see it from here, if you try to pull it from the top, it will damage the coil, boot or wire. So whenever you're trying to pull it out, always put a hand down up to there and then try to move it from there and then pull it out from here. This is the seal over there on the spark plug. So if you try to pull it from the top, it's not a good idea. Yeah, you can move it, put it down, and then you have enough space to pull it up. This is how you pull it out, the spark plugs, and they have 14 millimeter 12 phase spark plug, which is normally new European cars and other cars they are using it. So that's what I am right now. I'll gonna take it out the spark plug and rest of the thing if vice versa. I have a misfire code on the cylinder 7, and I'll gonna take it out the cylinder 7 spark plug and see how the condition is. Either it's a coil bad or it's something else. So that's why I took it out the other coil as well, which is cylinder number 6, because I wanted to see how other coils are look, because they have a kind of like a multiple misfire as well. So hopefully cross my fingers, it's not going over there, which is bad news for my customer. But they have so many issues, they might be spark plug, they might be coil, and might be injector. If those are not a problem, then there's a common issue with the timing as well in these engines. So be careful whenever you're buying the car. If you have a slight misfire or anything, try to go a reputable shop and diagnostic. Give them money to diagnose it for you. That is the best thing you can do it, because these are expensive to maintain. Nowadays you can buy a reasonable price cars, but remember that this is Mercedes European cars, so definitely they will be expensive for maintenance. I'm not going for detail how much pricing for the coils, spark plugs. You can find out on your local shop, dealer, or anywhere, whatever you like it. That's my right now diagnostic, and I'm going to check it, because the basic diagnostic is swipe the coil. Let's see if the transfer to the other coil or not code. If it's, then coil is bad. If it's not, then we'll go further on diagnostic. See you. Thank you. Have a good one. Take care. It's help you. Please share, subscribe my channel. This is Shahrukh from Auto Services Provider. I really appreciate if you say thank you, subscribe like this, bell icon, whatever the people say. Just please do it. Thank you.